prepare a new notebook for next semester? Is that you? Maybe some have already bought it or even prefer not to buy it. If I were you, I would choose not to buy it. Why? Because I never record any material every time the lesson took place. And before I continue this presentation, let me introduce myself first. Because in bahasa tak kenal maka tak sayang. Well, my name is Andiyani Thyas. I'm from S class Communication Science, and today I will presentation the best solution for university students during the pandemic, online versus offline. So online media is hotly discussed, right? How come? Because during this pandemic, how to learn is made as effective as possible with the online method. But many people also adopt this learning method because after all they feel that learning in offline or face-to-face classes is still more effective. And during these 2 years, it can be seen and even proven that there is a significant difference between these two learning methods. And tomorrow, I read that there are 5 things that compare online versus offline. First, study alone versus together. Offline learning with a classmate must be fun. You can meet your friends face to face and even understand better because you meet directly with the lecturer, but not by learning online. You can face to face and you can meet your friends, but just your only the screen and doing at home. Second, flexible versus on time. Offline learning make us more focused and on time when studying because nothing else will be a thing. But why go to the trouble of managing our schedule if we can change it flexibly? For example, the signal in some place is not the same. The lecture and can change. The hours or the class can be closed. Third, paperless versus paper-based. Actually, learning online classes can be one step to go green. And you know that because everything written in the note and phone note, laptop note, and whatever. So that's different from offline classes, which always require a lot of book, papers, photocopy, and notebook. Third, cost effective versus high cost. When you take online classes at home, you will definitely save more your money. Why? Because you don't need money to study. And it's different with offline classes because you can reduce your snack and save your pocket money. 5. Learn more relaxed versus discipline. During online classes, you're free to determine for yourself the appropriate way of learning. And for example, while listening music or sneaking. What is different in the offline classes? You have to focus on class so you can train yourself to be disciplined and focused on learning. And if I were you, I would prefer to take offline classes because we can study more intensely with friends and directly meet the lecturer on the same day without contact him via message. The solution for university students during the pandemic by way of online classes with using applications like Zoom, Google Classmate, WhatsApp group chat, and etc. After knowing this fact, it can be concluded that online or offline classes can actually run equally effectively and only stand there and teaching the material to the student, but they also provide opportunity for two-way communication and make the class more interactive. You can read or watch the video, but the learning process will not optimal. So come on, choose the best learning method to achieve brilliant achievement in the future. Now all the choices are yours. Life is 10% what happened to me and 90% how I react to it. Charles Mindo. That's my presentation. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thanks a lot for you guys and goodbye. See ya.
Halo semua, perkenalkan saya adalah seorang guru yang mengajar di salah satu sekolah swasta. Dan ini adalah cerita mengajar saya selama pandemi. Seperti hari-hari biasanya, rutinitas pagi tidak pernah berubah. Saya mempersiapkan segala sesuatunya untuk mengajar. Pakaian rapi pun tetap saya kenakan selayaknya saya mengajar di sekolah. Yang berbeda hanyalah cara, metode, kondisi, dan tempat di mana saya mengajar. Saya mengajar hanya di rumah karena kondisi pandemi yang tiada henti. Beberapa aplikasi pun dan teknologi saya mulai pelajari untuk menyampaikan isi materi saya kepada murid-murid di tengah pandemi seperti ini. Walaupun kita belajar jarak jauh, saya selalu berusaha untuk mencari cara-cara yang menarik agar setiap materi dapat tersampaikan dengan baik.
Sehat.
Oke, absen dulu ya sebelum kita mulai.
Ya kak.
Nah, panggil absen ya. Absen dulu ya. Adisti.
Hadir kak.
Masa.
Hadir kak.
Walaupun hanya sebatas layar, tapi tidak membuat kita berhenti untuk belajar.
Kita udah belajar materi gitar, masih tetap online nih sampai sekarang. Prakteknya kalian udah coba-coba belum di rumah? Coba langsung praktek gimana? Teorinya udah ya, kakak mau lihat gitarnya, coba tolong disiapin dulu semua. Kalau sekalian ambil gitar. Oke. Udah nyampe kunci C, A minor, E minor, G. Coba kakak mau lihat progresnya. Coba Banu C, kasih lihat ke kita kayak gimana.
Saya kayak gini.
A minor. Coba bunyiin dulu. Posisinya udah bener belum? Oke, coba Rel, gitar kamu mana Rel?
Maaf kak, sebelumnya saya nggak ada gitar kak.
Namun banyak situasi yang membuat kita harus mengerti kondisi murid-murid kita dengan berbagai latar belakang dengan berbagai kondisi.
Kalau praktek biasanya pakai aplikasi real gitar, kalau enggak saya lihat YouTube.
Tidak mudah kita sebagai guru mengajar di tengah pandemi seperti ini. Selama hati kita ingin mencerdaskan generasi dan memiliki kreasi untuk terus mencari cara yang efektif, maka semuanya itu dapat dilewati.
Sampai ketemu minggu depan.